How to create a Facebook page. If you wanna to create a Facebook page for yourself, first of all you should open Facebook, then click on the three lines on the right side at upper, then click on the pages. There it is appear, click on pages, then there is already I have a page. If you have a page, then you should to create click on the create option, which is on the upper, on the top and the left side. Click on create, then it will be started. Click on get started. Here uh, enter your page name. For example, I will enter the page name uh, Salman, then click on next, and then here you should to select category for your channel. For example, I will select art, then create option, click on create, and after that it will be searching for some time. Then here two option will be appear. The first one is for the product or services, and the second one is the create content and connect with fans. If you create it for your content creation, then you should to select the second one, then click on that continue, and then the here induce your profile. If you I will select this one picture, and the profile will be put, and then click on the next, and your page will be. Now our page is created, and you should to invite here your friends for the page. Thank you.